Namaste and welcome to my channel Watch and Learn Hindi. Today's video is all about learning to get help during medical emergency in Hindi. So, I will tell you Hindi for 10 words that are related to medical field and how to use them in sentences. For some of the English words, I have more than one Hindi word listed. So even if you don't use them all in your Hindi practice, if you hear them, at least you will have an idea what they mean in English. Now before we start, please subscribe to my channel and after this video, check out my other videos. If you would like to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee. The link is in the description. And don't forget to like this video. Let's start. The first word is medicine, and I have 3 words in Hindi listed here. Dawai, dawa, and aushadhi. Again, the 3 words are dawai, dawa, aushadhi. So, if you want to say I need medicine, in Hindi you will say मुझे दवाई चाहिए. मुझे दवाई चाहिए. Of course, you can substitute the other 2 words for the medicine. So instead, you can also say मुझे दवा चाहिए. Next word is pharmacy. I again have 3 choices for you here. You can learn all 3 or either one of them. दवाई की दुकान, दवाखाना, and औषधालय. Dukan is shop, so dawai ki dukan is medicine shop. Dawakhana comes from the word dawa, and from aushadhi comes aushadhalay. Alay means home, so aushadhalay is home of medicine. Just like Himalaya, where him is snow and alay is home, so him plus alay is home of snow. दवाई की दुकान, दवाखाना और औषधालय. Now that you know what a pharmacy is called in Hindi, you might want to ask somebody, where is the pharmacy? And you will say in Hindi, दवाई की दुकान कहाँ है? दवाई की दुकान कहाँ है? And of course, just like before, you can substitute dawai ki dukan with dawakhana and instead say dawakhana kahan hai. Next up is doctor. The Hindi word for doctor is chikitsak, but the word doctor is also used quite frequently in everyday spoken Hindi. If you want to know more such English words that are frequently used in everyday spoken Hindi, check out my video 10 English words commonly used in Hindi. The link is in the description. So if you want to ask somebody, do you know any doctor? In Hindi, you will say, क्या आप किसी डॉक्टर को जानते हैं? क्या आप किसी डॉक्टर को जानते हैं? Next is hospital, which in Hindi is अस्पताल. अस्पताल. So, if you want to say, take me to hospital, in Hindi you will say, मुझे अस्पताल ले जाओ. मुझे अस्पताल ले जाओ. Patient, रोगी, मरीज. So if you want to say this is the patient, you will say यह रोगी है. यह रोगी है. Or you can say यह मरीज है. Next is sick or ill, which in Hindi is बीमार or रुग्ण. In this, बीमार is much more frequently used, but रुग्ण is also correct. बीमार, रुग्ण. So if you want to say I am ill, if you're not feeling well, then in Hindi you will say मैं बीमार हूँ. मैं बीमार हूँ. Wound in Hindi is घाव. घाव. So if you want to say he has a wound on his back or she has a wound on her back, in Hindi you can say that with one sentence. The gender doesn't matter. So you will just say इसकी पीठ पर एक घाव है. इसकी पीठ पर एक घाव है, where पीठ is back and घाव is wound. Next is bandage, which is patti in Hindi. Patti. So if you want to request somebody, please change my bandage. In Hindi, you will say, कृपया मेरी पट्टी बदल दीजिए. कृपया मेरी पट्टी बदल दीजिए. Here I quickly want to talk about the word please, which in Hindi is kripya. In English, we use please to be polite. In Hindi, kripya serves the same purpose, and you will see it used in formal settings. But in everyday spoken Hindi, you can skip it and just say, मेरी पट्टी बदल दीजिए, and it is still polite and respectful. This is because in English, when we refer to somebody, we have only one word, you. In Hindi, there are three words, आप, तुम, and तू, and they convey different levels of respect and politeness. Here in this sentence, we are ending the sentence with दीजिए, which goes with आप and is therefore polite. If you want to learn more about when and how to use आप, तुम, and तू, check out my video, The You Conundrum, आप और तुम और तू. The link is in the description. Next up is pain, which is dard or पीड़ा. Again, dard is more frequently used in everyday spoken Hindi, but पीड़ा is correct too, and you will hear it also sometimes. So if you want to say, I have pain all over my body, in Hindi it will be, मेरे पूरे शरीर में दर्द है, where शरीर is body and दर्द is pain. मेरे पूरे शरीर में दर्द है. And you can of course replace दर्द with पीड़ा and just say, मेरे पूरे शरीर में पीड़ा है. Treatment in Hindi is उपचार, इलाज और चिकित्सा. उपचार, इलाज, चिकित्सा. Out of these three, उपचार and इलाज are more frequently used. So, if your question is, what is the treatment for this? In Hindi, it will be, इसका क्या उपचार है? इसका क्या उपचार है? और इसका क्या इलाज है? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications when the new videos are posted.